This is how to fix Knights of the Messiah issues. So for the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Go to the search and type in Steam. You will most likely find the process running. If so, right click on it and make sure to terminate it by selecting End Task. Now to ensure that it's not running in the background anymore, go to the Windows taskbar, select the Show Hidden Icons upside arrow, and then you will see the Steam icon. If so, right click on it and select Exit Steam. For the next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Open this NVIDIA app displaying like this. Now sign up with an account or log in with your existing one. After that, go to drivers and make sure to select this download button appearing if you don't have it already installed. Now go to the Windows icon, go to settings. You'll be redirected to the home like this, so go to Windows Update. After that, select this button in order to update your system. Even if you have pending or failed updates, select retry all and keep on trying. Now for the next step, make sure to open the Steam launcher again. Go top left corner and select the Steam icon, and then select check for Steam client updates. If you do have the older version, make sure to update it. After that, click close. Now go again to settings. This time go to in-game and make sure to switch off the Steam overlay. Go to downloads. After that, make sure to scroll down and click on clear cache and click then on confirm. Now all you have to do is to go to view and then select library. Look for the Knights of the Messiah. The game must be installed, so once you select it, click on this gear icon and then click on properties. Now go to installed files in the left menu and make sure to select on verify integrity of game files. In order to verify that you have the original files of the game, it will start by recovering and downloading any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the process to finish. After that, I recommend going to the Windows icon and restart your computer before seeing if the problem is gone or not. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.